Welcome to CRAIGOWAN Golf Club, an 18-hole public golf course in Oxford County. CRAIGOWAN has been serving avid golfers since 1959. In the last decade, the club has transitioned from private to public, so now anyone in the community can come and enjoy this spectacular golf course. The grounds of CRAIGOWAN are lined with mature trees that have made certain shots trickier and trickier as the years go on. CRAIGOWAN also has different streams and ponds to be aware of when deciding what shot you're going to go with. CRAIGOWAN has held some highly recognized golf tournaments at their course, including the 101st Annual Canadian Women's Amateur Championship. Notable golfers, including Brooke Henderson, competed in this tournament. CRAIGOWAN also has a very large driving range to help you warm up before your round, or if you just need to work on a few aspects of your game. CRAIGOWAN has very helpful and friendly staff that are more than happy to assist you with your clubs, cart, or any general questions you may have. CRAIGOWAN has an amazing grounds crew that has members who have been serving the course for decades, and it shows in the conditions. CRAIGOWAN also has a very large banquet room for weddings and events. If you need to host a meeting, CRAIGOWAN has a nice boardroom for you. CRAIGOWAN also has amazing food and beverage staff, with a beer cart that travels the fairway all day. CRAIGOWAN has a fully stocked pro shop that has everything you need to get your rounds started the right way. Once you're done with your round, stop in at the 19th hole to get a delicious bite to eat or grab a drink. Come and visit CRAIGOWAN Golf Club and enjoy the natural beauty for yourself.